We're off to see the Salvador Dali musical artwork thing. I don't know. We'll see. Welcome to our Airbnb. It's like in a little mall area. Bunch of shops, restaurants, and it's inside. It's up in one of those buildings.
We wanted to give you all a quick tour of our Airbnb that we stayed in. So here it goes. So you walk in, and you walk directly into like the bedroom, living room, TV, dresser, bathroom, super tiny, very functional though. This, and then the walk up these stairs. And there's a hideaway bed and the couch, table with one chair, and a little kitchenette. We had a refrigerator luckily, so that was nice. This is a rooftop access window. I did not like that we didn't have bars over the window like everyone else does. I don't know if you can see. They all have bars. So Kendall wasn't able to sleep with the window completely open up here because we've seen people on the roof. And that just made me nervous. Oh, there's also no fan up here. How do you live in Europe with no fan in your bedroom? That's it. Guy would have this idea, and then it opened in 2018.
Where the art becomes alive. The Dali exhibit. What are we at? What's it called?
Atelier de Lumiere.
Atelier de Lumiere. cool if you ever wanted to do a little exercise when you're kind of looking at Notre Dame. They have little exercise bikes and exercise machines.
Look, you can just walk down there.
Hey, just walk down to the river there.
Drop your paddleboard in.
Yeah.
I know that's going on.
I don't know how clean this water is. Try and move it. Try and move it. Okay, go left to right. To my little niece. Why did Uber come to France?
We wanted to see the Eiffel Tower up close. So we did. What do you think of it?
It's cool. It's,
Is it
big.
what you expected?
yeah.
Yeah.
Never a dull moment in the metro stations. Little cafe, little creme brulee, some chocolate, big creme brulee.
We had some time to kill before our train takes off, so we decided to come to the cemetery. What's the name of the cemetery? I don't know.
All right, so found a nice big hole, so we're gonna explore it.
Yeah, I can't see anything. No, I don't like it. I don't like it. I can't see it back there. I can't see anything.
Can't see anything. Memorial Garden. Please keep off the non-manicured grass.
21st century. Yeah. Tell me who's not allowed to read maps anymore.
This is a tricky cemetery map,
Oh my god.
which we need to go. Here. It's nothing. Here.
I'm gonna read the map.
We're gonna go south.
Can you read that? Nope, nope, too blurry, too blurry. That's ridiculous. Who is that? Full of themselves to be like, when I die, I want you to bury me here. That's ridiculous. We home? What'd you think of the cemetery?
I like this one.
Kind of cool. I was trying to point out that Frenchman that was sitting near that monument, and he was eating a baguette in the cemetery.
With shoes on.
Just with the shoes off, just hanging out, chilling. Like, how French can you get just sitting there eating a baguette? It's kind of fun. I believe they're just called fries here.
Fries.
French toast? Is it just called toast? Is it? Don't know.
All right, guys, this is our last metro ride here in Paris, France. You excited about that?
No.
No? You're excited to get home.
Yeah.
So that's good. One last look of Paris. Actually, why don't we do this, and then you can make a
It's
bed.
just like a bed.
You can make
It's
a
like a
bed out of us,
bed.
and then you can sleep on us every night.
That's so disturbing.
Ooh, Jason Bourne.
I've heard a lot of sirens.
Jason Bourne.
It's probably not good.